Hello everyone, my name is Jan and I will be your guide through the turnstiles of Europa Park today. And today, it's Voltron opening day, so it's a good day to ride Voltron. Now I tried to make a smart move by sleeping at a Europa Park hotel because you can get in the park from 8:30 instead of 9, which is, I don't know, I'll take it. Especially if that means getting ahead of all these people trying to get to Voltron. And I arrived here on the 25th yesterday, not the 26th. And there was supposed to be an event called the Voltron warm-up that didn't end up happening. I got lucky. I got a card by the wonderful guy at the hotel named Thomas. So if you see that, thank you very much. However, yes, the warm-up didn't happen, but instead they opened Alpen Express, which was fantastic. Like they made that thing up on the spot. That was wonderful. And yes, the reason that happened is because one of the trains, valied after the last mid-course brake run, I think. I'm not really sure. I'm not really familiar with the layout. I don't really want to get spoiled, but yeah, one thing's for sure is that I saw that very train got dismantled with a crane, and I saw the crane. I'll try to put a little picture for you guys actually. And yeah, but anyway, now I'll be able to get my first reaction for you guys on the actual opening day, which is going to be crazy. I feel like the atmosphere is going to be amazing. And we're off to a rainy start actually. It's not that bad, to be fair. It could have been worse. What I like about this procedure is that literally no one is rushing. Everyone is taking their time, everyone is walking there. I was in the first ones to get in the park today. And yeah, as you can see, it's pretty empty. That's our destination over there. And here we are, the last frontier before Voltron. And here we are. Everyone's running. I hoped we wouldn't run, but we are running. And here we are.
Et on va enfin voir ce qu'a de
So the opening was a little bit delayed. They're making us go through the Halloween section of the park. So that's why. Kettle bands. You gotta love them. To be fair, I'm not entirely sure that the kettle band will be much used because there aren't that many people here today. I thought there were gonna be more, but it's still a big crowd to manage, and I guess that's why they did it. No people on the train just yet, but we'll get there eventually. By noon, probably. Never mind. As I said, that the first train with people just launched, which is exciting. I want to point out how the delayed opening was announced on the app. So communication is really good here. I mean, it's Europa Park. They're the best at what they do. Or at least I dare think so. And yeah, that's exciting because now it's open and there are people in it. Well, here we are. We're going in the building. Woo! That was a really, really cool effect. I'm not gonna lie, I really like that cube. I'm not gonna lie, I hope that we see a Tesla coil today. Kind of like 13, you know, that would be nice. So the shot you just saw is essentially a pile of hair that is teleporting from one device to another. That is great. I love the theming here. It wasn't a pile of hair, it's a rat. That is so cool. It's the first day, so it was bound to happen. But let's hope it doesn't last.
Il faut doser l'énergie cosmique de manière plus précise. Essayons encore.
So for the lockers, they have exactly the same system as Arthur, so you'll be all right. You can have bags, put them in. You can keep your glasses on, actually, on any rides at Europa Park, for that matter. And yeah, I love that system so much.
All right, welcome to Voltron. We got first row, I'm so excited. Whoa! 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 Let's go! Woo-hoo! Whoa! What the hell? Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Let's go! Whoa! The hang time is insane! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Oh wow! There's so many things happening at once! Holy shit! Oh, that is brilliant! And here comes the turntable. Oh wow! And here we go! Oh, that is so cool! Let's go back to the station now. Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Holy shit! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! I love that! What is that? Whoa! Double up! Whoa! Okay. Oh wow. Whoa! Whoa! Holy crap! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Woo! That was amazing. I love that.
Well, it is a little bit earlier than 11, and I've got it. I rode the Voltron, and oh my gosh, so many things to unpack here. I love how the first half is more about those positives and the second half is more about the negatives, if that makes any sense. That really goes with the electrical theme. Like I know that is a really artistic thinking of me, but it really is what it makes me think about. And the trick track before the launch, I unfortunately was spoiled about that because sometimes the queue could see the launch because the panels didn't go down, unfortunately. It's the first day anyway, so it's not really their fault. It's a really brilliant coaster, really brilliant technology behind that coaster, and honestly, it lived up to the hype. It even exceeded it. To be fair, even though the trick track wasn't really a surprise for me, the surprise was really during the queue, and I looked at it, I was like, and it really is what this coaster is. It's just awesome all throughout. From the moment you enter the queue, well, maybe not today because we had to go all the way to Traumatica and everything. Once you enter the actual queue, it's just mind-blowing. A beautiful experience. I cannot recommend it enough. Two more rides here on Voltron, and wow. I don't want to rank it yet. I just want to experience it as much as I can today, and so that's probably what I'm gonna do. Fortunately, because I'm the only one here today, I'm able to lap it thanks to the single rider line, and well, not lap it, I still have to wait about 30 to 40 minutes, something like that. But it's the quickest way to experience it. And something that I like about the single rider line is that yes, you skip one good, you know, that water tunnel that I went over under earlier. Yeah, you skip that. But otherwise, you get the main part of the queue with Nikola Tesla, with the whole show, the Tesla coils as well. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. It's a thematic masterpiece. I have to say it. It's a thematic masterpiece. I love it so much. And so I've done it a little bit all over the place at this point. I've always got a wing seat. So the first time I was on the left front, then on the back left, and the last ride, the one I just did, was, well, it's not gonna be the last, absolutely not, but the one I just did was on the right, on the second row, and oh my god. So if you want some really good whip on whoever it is, Big Dippers or Strikers, you always want the wing seats. They're not rattly at all, especially not Voltron, and well, it's new, but you get my meaning. And yeah, it's brilliant, the whip you get. So on the left you get some more gentle whip, I would say, and for some reason they got me on the rightmost seat last ride, and the whip you got, I was in hysterics. That was so good. I loved it so much, and I love this ride so much. It's just so good. You have to come and experience it. A few more rides on Voltron, and I've got to say, guys, I think I've got a new number one, because it's just that good. It's really amazing, especially that last ride. It's about 6 p.m. now, and it's warmed up tremendously, and it throws you every single element. It's hysteria. It's insane. I love that thing so much, and I know it might be a bit of a hot take, but I think they managed to make something better than Ride to Happiness, in my opinion, at the very least, because at least this thing is re-rideable. It pulls some really good forces, but it's an amalgamation of many different forces. You have really good hang time, you have really good air time, you have really good positive forces, really intense ones at that, and what else? Whippy transitions as well, and that makes this ride so complete. And I think that's why it's it has to be my number one. And so yeah, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little opening day vlog of Voltron. See you guys in the next one.